Hello students of standard 10. Now we will see third construction of similar triangles. Example 3 means third construction of similar triangles. Construct triangle A dash B C dash similar to triangle ABC such that AB is to A dash B is equal to 5:7. Now I will show on the paper how to construct it. Same example 3. First we have to draw a rough figure. Now see, triangle ABC is there, A dash B C dash is there, but why to draw a figure like this? Now here AB is to A dash B equal to 5:7. This 5 is smaller than 7 means sure AB is smaller than A dash B. That's why triangle ABC is smaller than triangle A dash B C dash. That's why triangle ABC is coming inside triangle A dash B C dash. This is rough figure. Now we have to draw fair figure. First you draw any triangle ABC. Any triangle, because we don't have any measure or measures are not given. That's why draw triangle ABC. Here this is BC, but see, now A dash BC dash triangle is bigger than ABC. That's why I am extending this line to right hand side. Then without any measure I am drawing triangle ABC here. Again here you see A dash is going outside of A, that's why I have to extend this side AB. I am extending it like this. As per our need we can extend it in this way. Then down at point B we have to draw one acute angle. Keep your protractor like this. Now see, zeros line must pass through BC. And yes, last video I told you take 50 degree, 40 degree, but I think 50 degree is sufficient. So I am taking here 50 degree angle with BC. After this, use your rounder and make 7 marks, because A dash B here you see in given A dash B is 7 parts and AB 5. That's why I am going to make 7 arcs on this ray. Take any radius in your rounder, keep it on point B and mark like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We can give here names: B1, B2, B3, then B4, B5, B6 and B7. Now AB is 5 parts, means BC also 5 parts. So you join B5 with C. B5 with C in this way. Now we have to use corresponding angles test. If corresponding angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. By using that, we have to draw first one parallel segment to B5C. Put your rounder on point B5. Using any radius, draw one arc like this. Then you keep it on point B7 and draw here arc with the same radius. Then take distance between these two arms of the angle B5. Now see, here I am marking. Then keep it on this point of intersection of arc and the ray of angle and mark over here. Now using your ruler, keep it on B7 and point of intersection of these arcs and draw a line where it intersect to the ray BC. This point is C dash. Now from C dash we have to draw parallel line to AC. Again corresponding angles test. If corresponding angles are congruent and the lines are parallel, in this way here corresponding angles are congruent, so draw angle congruent to C at C dash. Using any radius, draw one arc here, then draw arc at C dash using the same radius. Then take distance between these two arms of angle C in your rounder, then keep it here on the point of intersection of ray BC and arc. Then using your ruler and pencil, draw a line passing through point of intersection of arcs and from C dash. Where it intersect, this is point A dash. Now in this way we got both similar triangles. First is ABC, it is any triangle, then triangle A dash B C dash, which is similar to triangle ABC. So in this way, when ratio of corresponding sides is given, then we can construct triangle similar triangles. Now your homework is here practice set 4.1. Now all three constructions are over. You can solve full practice set 4.1.